how you can track an object in Davinci Resolve. Select the clip you want to track and the object you want to lay above, put them on top of each other like so, and now select both clips, right click and select New Fusion Clip. Then go to the Fusion page down here and select the media in one node. Now press your Control and spacebar and search for Planar Tracker. Click on Add, and now you should have this node right here, which is the Planar Tracker 1 node. Go to the right hand side and select Tracker Type and switch it to Hybrid Point, and Motion Type should be set to Translation. Make sure that your playhead is at the beginning of the clip, and now you can draw the area that you want to track. For example, this hand section right here. And now you can press this button right here and the motion of the hand is now tracked. Next, select Create Planar Transform. This should add another node to the node tree, and you want to select this Planar Transform 1 node and you want to drag it between the media in 1 and merge 1 node. Simply hold Shift on your keyboard and put it between those two nodes. Now hold your Control key again and press Spacebar and search for Transform. Click on Add and add the Transform node between the Planar Transform 1 and the Merge 1 node. Now you can simply drag the image or the object you want to track to the right place, for example right here, and now this image is tracked to the hand movement, and that is how to track an object in Davinci Resolve.